Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe.
So hello my dear students, how are you all? Dear students, this poem, that name is the Ball poem, is composed by John Berryman, and in this very short one-line poem, John Berryman has tried to describe that importance of responsibility in our life. This poem is represented by a ball. A baby loses a ball, and poet want to tell that the baby will continue lost the ball, and he will not feel it sad to lose a ball because he don't know the importance of ball. He don't know the importance of money. He think the ball is costing only 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 times, 20 times, and it will be purchased again. But poet want to feel here a sense of responsibility. My dear students, generally in your life, if you just lost anything, you think, don't worry, no problem. My father will purchase it again. But this is not good. We have sense of responsibility towards the things. If we know it, only then we can be a responsible person in our life. So let us see, read the long poem that I written on blackboard and try to know what poet want to say. Just open your book, first slide, read the same poem in your book. Poet says, what is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street and then merrily over. There it is in the water. Poet says, what is the boy now who has lost his ball? Is there any changing on the face of the boy? Is he look stressful because his ball is lost? No use to say, oh, there are other balls. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. Poet want to say what it means for the boy who has lost his ball. If the boy is responsible, then definitely he'll feel trembling. Definitely he will be rigid. Definitely he'll realize that now his ball is lost. But if he is not responsible, he will take it very easily. One ball is lost, he'll purchase other ball. So what the poet want to say by these lines? Poet want to tell us about responsibility. If we are responsible towards our work, towards our parents, towards our responsibility, if we are responsible, then the scenario will be other. Boys will realize that he has lost his ball. And if the boy is not responsible, no matter, ball is lost, then I will purchase another one ball. Let us see further on. Poet says, I would not intrude on him a dime, another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility. Poet says, I would not intrude on him. I am not going to intrude him. A dime. Dime is a US currency. Okay? Another ball is worthless. Means I will purchase the another ball, then another ball, then another ball. This is worthless, no mean. Because it is not giving any lesson. The most important thing in our life is the lesson that we get not by book, but by our work. And the lesson that teaches to do something other. The lesson that teaches to change ourselves from bad habit to good habit. So, in a world of possessions, people will take balls will be lost always. Little boy, and no one buy a black ball, money is external. Poet is suggesting here to the boy that if you think, I'll purchase a ball, so you don't think you will be rich enough always. Because money is external. Money is not our internal property. Money is external. Today you are rich, might be tomorrow you become poor. So you have to realize about it. You must have to be responsible. in your life. He is learning well behind his disparate eyes the epistemology of laws, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. Very important paragraph. Poet is saying he is learning well behind his disparate eyes. This is really a lesson to the boy. He is learning behind his disparate eyes. What he is learning? He is learning a lesson. The epistemology means knowledge. He is getting knowledge of loss, that his ball is now lost. He is learning how to stand up, means he is learning the first lesson of responsibility. How to stand up means how to handle the situation, means how to save our ball before it being lost. If we are caring our property, if we are having a sense of responsibility, then the thing become positive. But in the same way, if we take it generally, no problem. If it is lost, then lost. So it creates trouble to us. Now the poet says, most know many ways how to stand up. Means there are a number of people who don't realize responsibility, and they are learning every day, forgetting every day, and they are just only a big crowd. If we are responsible, definitely we are differ from other. So dear student, this chapter is really telling you one very important fact, the importance of responsibility in our life. You also have to be responsible towards your work. You have to be punctual, you have to be obedient, you have to be a good human being. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Subscribe